Okay, there we go. So that is a wrap on the marble murrelet field season. I'm gone from the coast, now in southern Oregon around the Medford area for about a month, doing surveys for spotted owls, which means a whole bunch of new stuff for me to film. Much drier forests, much hotter. Currently going to a waterfall out here northeast of Medford, and gonna go see some beautiful stuff and film the first nature in a little while. Come join me. Down the trail, an astonishing cascade of water. Through the fallen pine to a new view of the waterfall. Breathtaking worlds of South Oregon beauty. Next time, wander in wonder.